How to sign up on Grok AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it, and if you find it useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, the first step that you need to do is to open your Google Chrome, or you can use any browser that you have. So personally, I'm going to use Google Chrome. Then go to the search and search for Grok AI. Then press on enter. Then you are going to see their official website, grok.com. So click on the first link. Then it will land you on this interface. So on your top right corner, you are going to see sign up button. Click on it. Then here you can see create your account. So you can use these options here. We have sign up with email, sign up with Apple, and sign up with Google. So I'm going to sign up with Google for easy logging in. So just click on sign up with Google. Then you can choose a Google account that you want to use to sign up with. So I'm going to choose this Google account. Then continue. Then as you can see, you have already created Grok account. So if you look at the bottom left corner here, you are going to see your account here. So you can also sign out using this option here. So you can use this Grok with, you can ask any question, you can go to voices and you can speak, and also you can go to images. You can also create images, and just close this one. You can also modify these images and use them. Again, you can see your history here. So that's really it, guys.